Before the opening bell on Wednesday, U.S. stocks soaring sharply higher after their worst ever performance on Christmas Eve, with the Dow Jones jumping 1,086 points to 22,878, the biggest points gain in history. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq rallying 361 points, 5.8% to 6554, and the S&P 500 jumping 5%, roughly 116 points to 2,467. Now, retailers in rally mode, Amazon climbing 9.5%. Other members of FANG, Facebook, Netflix, Alphabet all on the upside. Also, after being under pressure recently, they all rebounded. This all while 100% of S&P 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, General Dynamics, Huntington Ingalls, and Oceaneering have been awarded contracts for submarine maintenance and modernization in the amounts of $1.1 billion, $874 million, and $826 million, respectively, by the U.S. Defense Department. Meanwhile, overseas Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up 3.88%. The Hang Seng is down 0.67%, and China's CSI 300 down 0.38%, but South Korea's Kospi up 0.02%. European markets trading lower, and U.S. futures calling for a drop at the open. Now, in terms of expectations today, there's no major earnings expected today, nor is there economic data, so we go straight to the markets. The S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees the bias remain bullish. The Nasdaq sees a bullish bias above 6121, while the Dow Jones sees its bullish bias above 22,350, while remaining in focus as the relative strength index is mixed to bullish. Long positions above 22,350 are favored, with targets at 23,025 and 22,410 in extension.